What's up everyone? Today we're cutting through the noise on how SEO can actually elevate your brand in 2025. Forget keyword stuffing. SEO now is about real value and smart strategy. We'll break down the new rules, show you how AI fits in, and give you actionable tips to boost your online presence. By the end, you'll have a playbook to get your brand noticed this year. Let's dive in. The landscape of SEO is constantly evolving. What worked yesterday might not work today, and that's especially true as we look ahead to 2025. SEO in 2025 isn't just about keywords and backlinks anymore. It's about deeply understanding user intent. It's about figuring out what people want when they type something into that search bar. Search engines now prioritize content that solves real problems and provides genuine value, not just answers questions superficially. It's about providing comprehensive solutions. AI and machine learning with sophisticated algorithms like Google's RankBrain are continuously learning and evolving, making search smarter, more intuitive, and ultimately, more human. Users expect instant, helpful results. They want information at their fingertips immediately. And they're increasingly using voice search and formulating complex queries, demanding nuanced and accurate responses. Helpful content is king. It always has been, but now more than ever, it must be genuinely useful, providing actionable insights and practical value, not just technically correct or filled with jargon. It needs to be accessible and understandable. Your online presence is your first impression. It's your digital storefront, your virtual handshake. And if you're not adapting to these changes, you're essentially invisible to your target audience. Authority and trust matter more than ever in this evolving landscape. People are looking for reliable sources. Every piece of content you create is a chance to build expertise, foster trust, and nurture lasting relationships with your audience. SEO is now fundamentally about aligning your core values and the unique value you offer with what people are actually searching for online. That alignment, that understanding of intent and value, is the new foundation for success in SEO. To create truly helpful content that resonates with your audience, it's essential to first understand their needs and pain points. Start by identifying what people really need. What problems are they trying to solve? What questions are they asking? This is where modern keyword research comes into play. It's not just about finding popular terms. Forget chasing those high-volume generic keywords that everyone else is targeting. You'll just get lost in the crowd. Instead, focus on building authority around specific topics and creating interconnected content clusters. Build authority with a main pillar page, a comprehensive resource that covers a broad subject. Then, create supporting deep dive articles that explore specific aspects of that topic in greater detail. To uncover these valuable topics and keywords, use tools like Ahrefs and SEMrush. These tools help you spot patterns and identify the real questions that users are actually asking online. Analyze what's already ranking on the first page of Google. Are the top results blog posts, videos, product pages, or a combination? Understanding the dominant content type is key. This helps you match search intent and deliver the type of content users are actively seeking. Remember, long-tail keywords are gold. They might have lower search volume, but they bring in highly qualified traffic that's much more likely to convert. For example, targeting best running shoes for flat feet with marathon training is far more effective than just targeting the broad term running shoes. Ultimately, aim to be the solution to a problem, not just another search result. Blend broad, authoritative topics to establish your expertise, with long-tail content to capture highly targeted traffic from users with specific needs. This content strategy is not only sustainable but also highly strategic, leading to long-term growth. That's how you cut through the noise and make your voice heard. Research done, the foundation is set. Now it's time to craft content that truly connects with your audience. Content that resonates, informs, and engages. Write for humans first and foremost. Understand their needs, their pain points, and their aspirations. Make your content clear, engaging, and above all, easy to read and digest. Use logical headings to structure your content effectively. Keep paragraphs short and concise and incorporate bullet points and relevant images to enhance readability and visual appeal. Once it's user-friendly and intuitive, it's time to optimize for search engines. Place keywords naturally within your titles, meta descriptions, and strategically in the first paragraph to capture attention. Use synonyms and related terms to add depth and semantic relevance to your content. Always think about the full user experience, including optimized images, descriptive alt text for accessibility, and engaging media elements to keep users hooked. Internally link to other relevant articles within your site to guide users through a seamless journey and help search engines crawl your site effectively. Remember, it's not about keyword repetition or stuffing, but about creating rich, valuable content that truly serves your audience. Strive to make every page a complete, helpful resource that answers their questions and solves their problems. That's the kind of content that will rank well in 2025 and beyond. AI is your new SEO sidekick. Use tools like Jasper or ChatGPT for brainstorming, outlines and first drafts, but always add your own voice. AI can audit your site, spot technical issues, and analyze competitors fast. It helps you make smarter data-driven decisions. Some platforms even predict traffic and ranking shifts. Let AI handle the tedious stuff so you can focus on strategy and creativity. Don't fear AI, leverage it to work smarter. That's the future of SEO. You've launched your strategy, now measure everything. Use Google Analytics 4 and Search Console to track what's working. Search Console shows keywords, rankings, and technical issues. Analytics reveals how users engage with your content. Tie keyword data to user actions for a full picture. Set goals, brand awareness, leads, conversions, track them all. Review your data monthly to spot trends and refine your approach. Double down on what works, re-optimize what doesn't. Data-driven decisions fuel long-term SEO success. Measure, learn, improve, repeat. That's the 2025 SEO playbook. It's about intent, helpful content, and smart use of AI. Build authority and trust for lasting growth. Want more? Check out buildandbloom.blog for deeper dives and resources. Thanks for watching. Like, comment your biggest SEO question and subscribe for more. Keep learning.